Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send money to bank account on Wise. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead first, check out your app if it's updated or not, and then afterwards simply open it up. Now as soon as you have opened your app, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Go ahead, enter your email address that you created your account with. Once you've added that, go ahead, enter the password accordingly and tap on login. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be in the home section. If you have any trouble logging in, tap on trouble logging in. That will also help you out. Once you're in the home section of your particular account, you're gonna be going to then from there you will simply see the currency balance you have open and the funds you hold. On the left, currency and the balance you have hold, simply go ahead, choose the currency you want to withdraw from and tap on click. Afterwards you have chosen that, then the next step comes where you have to enter the details after withdrawal. Tap on send within the interface right over there. Simply go ahead, enter the amount and currency you want to withdraw. Once you have done that, you're going to go ahead, confirm the account you want to withdraw to. You're going to be adding the credential of your account which you want to transfer to. You can also transfer to yourself in another account of yours. All you got to do is provide the information such as the name of the account holder, the account number, and the bank name, and the routing number if it requires. Then click on send money and then review the details once more and tap on confirm, and you're good to go. Ask a recipient later on if they have received it or not, and you're done. That is how you can do it. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.